Hello, everyone. Welcome today on Sunday. Sunday there is no newspaper, so I will continue with the additional in yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, January the 9th, 2021. There are four Sudokus left. A Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, then a tectonic, and a binary. So total of four Sudokus are left. I will continue with solving these four Sudokus, and the first Sudoku is a number 2140. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me guess, this one has 25 printed digits. Let me check if this is correct. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10, 14, 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 2 is equal to 25. Correct. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I use. How about the last row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this big square, so no 5 and a 9 in these three boxes. The 5 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. A 5 in this column, the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for a 5 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in a row above, so in that row, only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then. How about this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these three boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those three boxes. One box left for the 8, should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for a 2 should be there. Let me continue. How about we have a pair, 7 and an 8 in this column, 7 and an 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 7 and the 8 should be in these two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes, 7 and 8. Let me think. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. Well, another 2 there, so no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 3 places for 2 should be here, here, or there. You see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between. The second row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2, all right. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then, how about these 2 numbers in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Then 3. We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 6. And look, we have a 3. 3 there, so no 3 there. And we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. So the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and then 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. Yeah, 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. I've marked these 2 boxes with a dot. So we have a 3 in the first column, a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be here. Now we have an 8 here. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be the 8. And this should be a 7. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. 2 boxes left in the third column. The numbers are the 6 and the 1. 6 and the 1. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 6, the 7, and the 4. 6, 7, and 4. We see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. The 7 and the 4 are left now. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be a 6. And this should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. Then 2 boxes left in the third row for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, right? Can I do this with the number 3? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 3. All right. So 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 7. 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Sudoku with a 1 star. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.